get new brakes for it. Can I turn around here?
Okay, we're in this Land Rover, going for a test drive. Guy's getting a little bit excited.
Oh, very excited. They went from diesel to petrol.
How's it feel?
Fucking beautiful.
Yeah, man. It's
So smooth.
yeah, it revs that nice, doesn't it?
I need new brakes, I think, because I can't stop. It's going so fast. Fucking love it. What's the language?
Yeah, you can hear it though, can't you? It sounds different.
Well, it's almost
It's like a car.
less vibrations.
Yeah. Go straight down, just to make sure nothing else comes. There's still a little bit coming out.
Very happy. There's my next motor right there. Cobra. That's what I want when I get to America. Back to America.
They're hurting one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you'll feel that you won't be putting your foot down so much, if you know what I mean, man. Cruising.
But now it's going somewhere. Before you put your foot down, it won't go.
Yeah, this is what I try to explain to people. But it's, you know, until you have it done.
Which way?
Well, just till you turn out. Until you have it done, you know, they just think, oh, Paul, the old body guy. What does he know?
He knows his shit.
You can smell it now. You see, that's what that little flush out, that little run is while it's hot, you know. But it would have done your DPF, even though you didn't have a block DPF, it definitely would have been clogged up. EGR valve, your turbo, the heated side, injectors.
Beautiful.
Because they're in your combustion with the diesel.
Right there.
That's it, yeah. I might get one of these. I've got to say, I wouldn't know you're in a Land Rover, really. Never I'm up there.
Not now, you wouldn't. Before it felt like a tractor.
Yeah, they do. That's why every time I get in one, I think, oh, that's just a drive like donkey, don't they? But this feels like a car.
That goes anywhere.
Yeah, the steering, mate. Ain't gonna sort the steering out. Okay. Right.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.